Hello there, Sam here from Artificial Lawn Company and artificiallawnsupply.co.uk. Today just doing a quick video on changing the brush head on our Garland Roll Comb 302E artificial grass electric power brush. So you only need one tool to do this, which is an Allen key, and then it's quite simple. It's basically just two bolts to come out, take the old brush out, new brush back in. So it's probably easiest just to maneuver with the machine if you just take the handle off and the collection bucket off the back. Just get all the cables and the lead out of the way. It's just easier that way. And then you can literally just flip it upside down. So upside down, it kind of exposes what you need to do. So on one side of the brush, there's this little block and it's just two screws to undo. So with your Allen key there, just undo the two screws. Try and do it as quickly as possible for you. These might be a bit stiff the first time you do it, just because as they get, they might be a bit wet or just from wear and tear. So the other screw there like that. And put them somewhere safe. And then if you literally just, it should slide this way a little bit and just pop straight out with the block in it. So obviously keep the block. The brush you can put to one side, the old brush. And then putting it back in, the block has to go on one end, this end with the silvery side, and this slots on this side of the brush. So I'll put the block on the end like that. Obviously align it so it's going in the right way, and then put the bottom end in first. It might need a bit of a twist because it's got to go onto a hexagonal bolt there, and then pop it back in. And then if you've done it right, the two hex bolts should literally just line up perfectly, and just screw them back on. Just one final check, make sure they're nice and tight. Oops, there we are. And that is it, changing the brush head on the Garland Roll Comb 302E. So we sell these brushes on our website, so if you ever need one, you can just simply place one on an order on the website, and we keep those in stock best we can. If you ever need any other spare parts for these machines, we can send you a diagram and then we can get them for you. They do typically take 2 to 3 weeks though, because they come directly from the manufacturer in Spain. So there we go, changing the brush head on the Garland Roll Comb 302E. Thank you very much. Cheers.